What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial, and today I'm going to show you on how to use motion warping on your animations. It's going to be a very easy video to follow, so let's get started. But first, check out the link in the description to get our some Unreal Engine courses on Winfox. Alright, so the first thing I'll have to do is go into Edit, Plugins, and of course, enable the plugin. So just basically search for motion warping, and then you can just enable this over here. Now it will just pop up that it's in beta. It's okay, just click OK, and then you can restart the editor. Once you have restarted the editor, probably it will be all successfully installed. So what you have to do is basically get an animation with root motion. So in my case, this one is just from megascans, and I just enabled with a plugin on Blender a root motion bone, so it can basically have root motion, and you can see the movement over here. And then just go ahead and make sure that this is enabled, and then we're good to go. So this is the animation that I basically want to warp into a certain position. So we're gonna right click, create a new montage. So go ahead and open this up, and what we have to do is get the point where we want to start our motion. In my case, around here is gonna be good. So we want to go into the notify section, just right click, go add notify state, and we want to add a motion warping. Then we want to go into the point where basically the motion finishes, which is pretty much over here, and then we want to just drag the endpoint to there. Great, so now what we want to do is just select our motion warping notify, and then in the details panel we just want to leave this as Q warp, and then we can just put the warp target name as attack target, for example, something like that. I'm just even gonna copy the name so we have it for later. So now we can just save it and close it. Okay, so now let's go into our third person character blueprint, or of course whatever blueprint you're using, and I'm gonna go into the event graph into a certain point over here, and then we're gonna say, for example, when I press C, I'm gonna basically attack into this motion warping. So the first thing I want to do is basically go into a certain location. Now I'm just gonna do one thing, and let's just go into motion warp. There we go. Create a new blueprint class, and it's gonna be type actor. This is gonna be the BP target, and I'm just gonna drag it in the scene. Basically it's just gonna go into this point over here. Now if you already have an enemy, you will want to use your enemy to be able to navigate into the certain enemy. But because right now I'm just gonna make things simpler, I'm just gonna use this specific point over here. So what we're going to do is just get all actors of class. In this case it will be the target, but of course if you have your enemies you can do it so, and then we can just get a copy. Now of course this will just get a copy from the world, the first one that it finds, but if you have a scene with multiple enemies, you probably want to use right cast into the ones into the nearest one, and then get the location for it. But again, I'm making things simpler, so I'm just gonna use this blueprint in the scene. So we want to get basically the actor location. So there we go, and then we're gonna basically add a new component, which will be the motion warping. So go ahead and add it. We are not gonna change anything, and then just go ahead and drag it. So what we have to do is basically call this node, which is add or update warp target, and then we can just go ahead and plug it in. So then we can just right click and split, and then we have all these different inputs. So first of all, the warp target name will be exactly the one that we place in the montage in the details panel. In my case I copied it, so now I can just paste it, and then the target location I can just pop this one in, and that's pretty much all the necessary stuff that we need in order to play basically warp our animation to that position. But now of course we have to play our animation montage, so we just get the mesh and you say play montage. So you're gonna use basically the more advanced nodes. So there's two montages nodes, so you can play for blueprint. This is just the more advanced one. I just prefer to use it now because you have more details and stuff. Anyway, we're just gonna use the attack montage, which I believe is pretty much the same one, and then I can just compile and save. So now if I press play, you will see that the point is around there. So if I press C, you will see that now the character goes into that position with the root motions. So the thing is that it will basically always go in whatever parameter we are plugging on here. So if we were to plug in the actor's rotation, it will bend it in a way so it will be finishing up the warping facing where the forward of that actor was facing. So what you want to do in most of the cases, in my opinion, will be to just get the actor rotation, so basically the player's actor rotation, not the actor's one, and then you just plug it in and that's it, and then be making it that it will always face where you're going, and that's it. I don't know, it's pretty much what you prefer to do it, and if you wanted to finish it, you know, in the direction that this actor you warp into is looking, or in whatever the player is looking to. Now, have in mind that of course if you're doing it with the players, if you can basically warp backwards. So you just do whatever you find most relevant. A hack, you can just use the player, but then rapidly just change his orientation and rotation to be looking at the actor that you're gonna go. But you know, it's just preference. But yeah, so that's it guys. If you enjoyed the tutorial and found it helpful, I really appreciate you look at that video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 tutorials as this one, so check them out. Also check out the links in the description for awesome Unreal Engine courses. And now yes, with all that said, bye bye.